Hey guys, hey guys, it's me Xander, and I just talked my dad into buying a few Pokemon packs. We're opening Evolving Styles just really quick. Whoa.
Blue.
1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my gosh. Open the door and it's gonna be fire.
Fire.
Really?
Yeah. Look. Snow leaf badge. Braviary. Marie. Wobbuffet. Love disc. Dwebble. Hippopotamus. Shelgon, and be careful, I see something back here. Whoopsie! Oh yeah, that looks like a full art. I mean
No, it's not.
well.
But that's pretty.
Yeah.
That's a pretty one.
Serious.
But we gotta go quick.
We'll have to look that up. Go ahead. Get ready. That might be alternative art. I'll have to look that up.
No, I know it's.
Brett, I tell you what.
It's not.
We already on a roll, ho, bro.
Something and then.
Nice. Big brother.
Oh, this one. Oh, wrong thing.
Okay. Speed demons, whoa. Speed demons, whoa.
Water.
A psychic, you psycho. Boldor. Nose leaf. Good luck. Nick it. Dribble. Riffle it.
Oopsies.
Rock and roller.
Okay.
Schwabblefit. Tail and flame. And the Eldegoss.
Okay, at least it's hollow.
Sweet, brother.
Hey, we're on a roll right now today, guys.
Quick little roll. Let's go. Whoop, there he is. Whoop, there he is. About to go. We're about to go swimming right up in this place. We just had to do it right quick. Something caught our eye about that GameStop. You know, we never been in there, so let's go. Whoop, go.
1, 2, 3, 4. Please get me something good. It's electric.
Oh, nice steel.
Steel?
I wish you know that. I mean, Lombre. Lucky Ice Pop.
Ice Pop.
Marie. Beep, beep. Zavura.
Hoodoo.
Tentaku.
Okay.
Hoopit.
Uh-huh.
A Dino.
Uh-huh.
And a Lotad. And a Militech. Oh,
Okay,
shit.
well, 2
But
out
for
of
real,
3.
we will take that because that we ain't got that, and Draco Zolt, we ain't never seen you. Sweet.
Bye, guys. Woo!